Russia sees an increase in tank losses which they can't afford, losing tanks far quicker than they can produce them. Seen here again, as a Russian tank had been immobilized, Ukraine's drone army sends drone after drone to completely destroy the tank. As the first strike caused limited damage, the second drone, coming more from behind, managed to penetrate into the ammunition, causing the tank to be obliterated into smaller pieces, making sure each tank Russia loses can't be brought back into service, lowering Russia's overall tank force by one tank at a time, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.